Hello everyone, today I will show you how to write equation in Google Docs. I write this equation in my Google Docs document. Click anywhere. Now select insert option and select an equation option. Equation box already created and equation toolbar already added. Now I'll make this equation as same. Type F from your keyboard and select here. Select this bracket. Now type X from your keyboard and type equal from your keyboard. Okay. And select here. Save this integration. This one. And type bottom A and top X from your keyboard. Now select here this fraction and see this. Again type A and select bracket and type here X and select here this root X. Type here X minus Y. Now type D Y and see this. Our equation now complete. In this way you can make different